feeling overwhelmed by distractions and struggling to prioritize what truly matters. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get lost in the noise. Inspired by Seneca's Letters from a Stoic, Faru offers a refreshingly practical guide to cutting through the clutter and dedicating your energy to what truly moves the needle. It's not about doing more, but about focusing intensely on what's important. Content and structure. The book is organized into 70 short chapters, each functioning as a standalone letter addressing topics like focus, discipline, emotional resilience, and letting go of what's beyond your control. Faru channels Stoic thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, adapting their teachings to modern challenges such as information overload, workplace stress, and decision fatigue. For example, he emphasizes the Stoic principle of focusing only on what you can control, urging readers to release anxiety over external events like others' opinions or unpredictable outcomes. A notable quote, "Nothing is worth giving up your peace of mind for," encapsulates the book's core message of safeguarding mental clarity. Each letter is concise, typically 2 to 3 pages, making it ideal for daily reading or reflection. Faru includes practical exercises, such as journaling prompts to identify priorities or reframing negative thoughts, which ground the philosophy in actionable steps. Chapters like "Focus on what you can control" and "Let go of outcomes" provide clear frameworks for managing stress and aligning actions with personal values. The book's structure encourages gradual application, with letters building on each other to reinforce Stoic habits over time. His writing style is direct, no nonsense, and highly accessible, avoiding jargon and focusing on practical application. The central theme revolves around identifying and prioritizing high-value activities, eliminating distractions, and aligning actions with one's core values. Faru argues that in a world teeming with information and demands, true productivity and fulfillment don't come from doing more, but from focusing intensely on what truly moves the needle. He encourages readers to ask themselves whether a task will genuinely matter in the long run, thereby empowering them to cut through the noise and direct their energy effectively. Key takeaways and themes. 1. Stoic principles for modern life. The book seamlessly integrates timeless Stoic concepts like focusing on what's within your control, embracing mortality, memento mori, as a motivator, and transforming obstacles into opportunities for growth. These philosophical underpinnings provide a robust framework for building resilience and maintaining equanimity amidst life's challenges. 2. The power of choice and intentionality. Faru highlights the critical importance of conscious choice. He asserts that if you don't prioritize your life, someone else or external circumstances will. By becoming more selective about where you invest your time and energy, you reclaim agency and direct your life towards your true aspirations. 3. Actionable strategies for focus and productivity. The book is rich with practical advice, including identifying high-value activities, learning to distinguish between urgent and important tasks, eliminating distractions, strategies for creating a focused environment and minimizing interruptions. 4. Deep work principles. The importance of dedicating uninterrupted time to your most critical work. 5. Developing discipline and routines, emphasizing how routines can free up mental energy by reducing decision fatigue. 6. Holistic well-being. Beyond just professional productivity, Faru underscores the interconnectedness of mental, physical, and emotional well-being with focus. He touches upon the importance of good nutrition, exercise, sleep, and managing negative emotions like envy and resentment, reminding readers that a healthy body and mind are crucial for sustained focus. 7. Continuous improvement and self-awareness. The book promotes a mindset of ongoing learning and self-reflection. Faru encourages readers to continuously assess their actions, understand their motivations, and make adjustments to stay aligned with their values. Farrukh's strength lies in his ability to make Stoicism accessible without diluting its depth. His conversational tone and relatable examples, such as managing email overload or resisting social media distractions, bridge ancient wisdom with 21st century challenges. The brevity of each letter suits readers with busy schedules, offering bite-sized insights that can be revisited for inspiration. The inclusion of practical tools, like the priority matrix, to categorize tasks by importance, adds immediate value for productivity enthusiasts. Farrukh's experience as a productivity writer, Think Straight, Do It Today, shines through, ensuring the advice is grounded in real-world application. The book also excels in its universal appeal. Whether you are a student, professional, or retiree, the timeless principles, focus on the present, practice gratitude, and embrace adversity, resonate across contexts. Farrukh's emphasis on resilience, such as viewing setbacks as opportunities to practice patience, aligns with Stoicism's core tenet of finding strength in adversity, making it particularly relevant for readers facing uncertainty. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe for more book reviews and productivity tips, and let me know in the comments, what's one thing you are going to focus on this week.